guys, I'm enjoying my drumstick. If you'd like to see how I make these drumettes, sweet and savory chicken, please join me to the end. They're so good, guys. Okay, let's get the show started. Guys, I cleaned the chicken, clean it, washed it, and put garlic all over. So here I'm gonna put some rosemary. So the rosemary, guys, you can put a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Salt. Not too much salt, like that's about half teaspoon of salt. Black pepper. Teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon to a tablespoon of black pepper. And thyme. You could use a teaspoon of thyme. Garlic powder. Teaspoon garlic powder. Adobo seasoning. This seasoning, guys, it makes me cough. It's very dust. It just makes me cough, so I won't use a lot. Teaspoon of the adobo. And allspice is optional. Half teaspoon. And paprika, teaspoon. And then I'm gonna put honey, guys. You could put 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Lemon juice, like 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And guys, I'm just giving you the measurement for about a dozen chicken. Like, I didn't count them. 3, 5, 8, 9. Looks like a dozen and a half. But this recipe is for like a dozen to a dozen and a half of drumsticks. So you could use half a lemon, or if you want to measure 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna rub this in and let sit for about half an hour, and then I'll put it in the oven. But I have to taste it first, guys, to make sure, you know, it's tasteful. It has enough salt. And just looking at it, I think I'm gonna put more pepper. Black pepper, and want some more paprika. So guys, I give you the measured amount, right? And then it's up to you if you want to add anything after. The paprika is not salty, so then just a little bit more adobo seasoning, because this one is salty, so you apply it generously, sparingly. And this is good, guys. And then I'm gonna lay it on the baking tray and place in the oven. Guys, the oven is preheating at 400 degree, and as soon as I put it in the oven, I'm going to lower to 350 degree for about 50 minutes. So guys, I like to pierce my chicken before I put them in the oven, so I'll give them just a bit of a pierce, you know, so the heat can go through them quickly. The inside will start cooking right away. And now they're going into the oven at 350 degrees. So 30 minutes later, you turn your chicken, guys, and place back into the oven. Turn all of them over. And back in the oven they go for another 30 minutes. I like the way they're cooking. They're cooking on the inside. They're soaking before they start getting their color. Now guys, what do you think about this chicken? Looks good after an hour and a half. So anywhere between an hour or hour and a half, guys. Okay, because for example, look at it now. It's looking good, and I'm thinking of turning them and putting it back in the oven for maybe 10 more minutes. But as I said, it's up to you. The choice is yours, and it's not running bloody, so it's good. Okay, it's good after 1 hour, hour and a half, because I think I lost track of time, guys, but I think it's been here like hour and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give it like 15 more minutes, and then actually I'm gonna put it in the oven and shut the oven off, because this is cooked. As well as if you don't want all that liquid, then you can you know, turn it up some more. It's been cooking at 350, so you could like turn it up to 400, but then it might be brown too quickly. But it's good for me. Looks good. Let me just put the lemon pieces here and stick it back in the oven. Pieces of garlic that's left behind, so it's going back in the oven for about 10-15 minutes, guys, and then that's it. So guys, I put it back in the oven for 10-15 minutes, and as I show just to get some more color, this one has gotten its color, so you know, I'm just leaving the others to get the color all over as this one, and as long as inside is cooked, it's perfect. The lemon with a bit of honey, guys, this chicken, I'm not exaggerating, it's really good. My chicken, guys, well cooked. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and you know, share the video with your friends, and get your friends to subscribe. Okay, get your friends to subscribe. This chicken is good. I like the fact that it has the lemon and a bit of honey. Sweet and savory chicken. So I washed it, clean it with vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. And because you guys know how I clean my meat, right? So I didn't demonstrate in this video. So that's good, guys. Guys, this chicken, as you notice, I did eat a piece before. So 15 minutes later, see, it's all bone in my plate. Truly is good, guys. I highly recommend this recipe. Thank you once more for joining me in another video, and see you in the next one.